The first big question is, why Facebook marketing? Well, there are three major reasons. First of all, you can create a business fan page. It's not a secret that fan pages are a powerful tool to acquire new customers and to build lasting relationships with your existing customers. But for local businesses, they offer a bunch of really cool features. For example, you can share information about your business like open hours and parking options. Or if you set up your Facebook page as a local business, you have the option to collect testimonials and reviews from your customers and showcase them on social media. This will attract more customers, right? And besides that, more people will find you since your fan page is indexed by search engines like Google based on the keywords used in the business page title. Second, you're harnessing the power of word-of-mouth marketing. It will be easier for your customers to recommend your business to their network and their friends. And last but not least, you can harness advanced Facebook marketing features like local awareness ads to give your business more exposure instantly in your city with just a few clicks. How cool is that? Now, long story short, there's a virtually infinite number of reasons why your business should be active on Facebook, but I hope that these three reasons are enough to prove that Facebook marketing is the route to go if you want to grow your business today.